Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Russia and held talks with Russian President Vladimir Putin. During their meeting, they discussed various issues, including Ukraine war. India expressed concerns over the recruitment of Indian citizens to fight in the Ukraine war, and Russia agreed to address this issue. Trade and commerce. Both nations aimed to boost trade and economic cooperation. Energy. They discussed collaborations in the energy sector, including oil and gas. Defense. India and Russia have a long-standing defense partnership, and they discussed potential deals on defense equipment and technology. Cultural exchange. PM Modi interacted with Russian artists, highlighting the cultural ties between the two nations. LIC asks shareholders to update details to avoid higher TDS on dividends. The board of directors of LIC has recommended a final dividend of 6 rupees per equity share of face value of 10 rupees each for the financial year 2023-24. The dividends will be paid to members who own equity shares of the corporation, either in real or electronic form, by September 20, 2024, at the latest. TDS on dividend income. The Income Tax Act, 1961, mandates that the corporation deducts tax at source on dividends paid to members. Dividend income is taxable in the hands of the members. Update details. LIC members are requested to complete and/or update their residential status, PAN and category as per the IT Act with their DPs. Members who have not updated their bank account details are requested to update their bank mandate with the respective DPs on or before 5 p.m. Friday, July 19, 2024. Watch Jon Stewart school Democrats, can't we give this candidacy stress test? On his show, Jon Stewart recently criticized Joe Biden's performance in the recent debate and the Democratic Party's reluctance to consider alternative candidates for the 2024 presidential election. He proposed a hypothetical open convention in which Democratic candidates could present their cases and potentially replace Biden as the party's nominee. Hathras stampede. Based on the CIT report, the Uttar Pradesh government suspended the following officials for negligence in the Hathras stampede case: Sub-District Magistrate, Circle Officer, Tahsildar, Station Officer, 2 Chowki in-charges of Sikandrarao. The CIT report also recommended action against officials posted in Sikandrarao, including SDM, Circle Officer, SHO of Sikandrarao Police Station, Tahsildar, Police Outpost in charge of Kachora and Pora. Delhi organ racket busted. The Delhi police arrested 7 people, including a doctor and 6 others, for their involvement in an international organ transplant racket. The mastermind behind the racket is from Bangladesh, and both the donors and the receivers are from Bangladesh. The doctor arrested for her involvement in the racket has links to 2 or 3 hospitals. The racket has been active since 2019. Charging 25 rupees 30 lakh for each transplant. The organ transplant racket was busted by the Delhi Police Crime Branch, who had been working on the case for 2 months.